Okay, at the field on this beautiful Sunday morning, back with the Albatross.
Flaps 1, flaps 2.
Bring the flaps down all the way. Okay, ready to take off here. Gears are up. Let's go fly. Beautiful.
That's painted in the Russian colors.
It's the Czech. Yeah, well, it's the Slovak. It's the Slovakian. It's the white Albatrosses. It's their show team.
Those are the colors, though.
Yeah.
It's the same as the Russian colors.
The same as the Russian, yeah. The Slovakian Air Force. This one has this trim, this livery, and the actual Russian livery. That one's a camo one. But this one's from the Slovakian. This is from their show team. This is their show team livery.
Pretty nice.
Oh, this is an awesome flyer. This is, I guess, like you would equate it to like the trainer of like EDFs. And it can handle the grass field. That's the big reason why I got this one. There's the other member here, Brian. He has the other trim, the other Freewing one that's the Russian trim, the Russian livery. And so, like, I've seen him fly it off here. Like, he's never had any problems taking off. So, I got this one.
Oh, nice about this color is you can see it easy. Stands out. What do you need, Dan? One of those. That's nice. Add that to your collection too. That and the biplane, right?
Battery.
Oh, really?
Get a what? The Phantom?
Yeah.
I don't know. I would guess that one. You're talking about the Freewing?
It's someday, not today.
The 90mm one? That's... I would bet that can handle the grass field without much of a fuss. Because it has the two gears in the front. They're small gears, but there's two of them up there.
It's just on my list.
1 minute, 10 seconds, 22.9 volts.
Little EDFs. Oh, it flies really. I was really surprised. Yesterday was maiden day. I brought this out yesterday. Oh, did you? Yeah, it was maiden day for this. I was amused actually at how easy this flies.
Nice and slow and stable, it looks like.
This may be like the first model ever where After maiden flight, I didn't have to do any trimming or anything. You know, it was just as it.
Battery. 15 seconds. 21.9 volts.
Alright, let's get ready to bring it in soon. Drop these gears.
Gear down. Timer 1 up.
Well, it's really quiet today.
Flaps 1. Flaps 2.
Yesterday, the wind was going pretty well, but it was gusting the same way. Beautiful. Ooh.
All them ruts you got back.
You. Yay.
That's why I-
All right. Good flight. Good flight.
Flaps 1. Flaps normal.
Okay. Good flight.